Another variation of the fly stitch is the close fly stitch. This is where the V's are very close together, used to fill in a shape. So to do that, we come up where we want the top of that first V to be, pull our thread through, hold our thread towards the bottom point of that V, and then we go back down in the other corner of that V and gently tug so we have a nice open loop of thread on the front of our fabric here. After that, we bring our needle up inside that loop of thread right at the bottom point of our V, gently tug so our thread loop becomes a V on the front of our fabric here. Then we do a short little stitch around the base of our V there. You can see I'm going around the thread to hold our V in place. And now we do another one just below this one we did to fill in. So I'll come up just outside that first V, hold towards the bottom point of my V again, and then go back down on the other side there. And to know where to come up at the bottom point, I find the base of that last V there, and I'll come on up like so, and then do my short little stitch around that thread again at the bottom. And you can do as many or as few of these as you'd like when doing the close fly. But we always want them just connected at the base there, like so. That is our close fly stitch.